Hello everyone. In this video, we will practice the syntaxes of class objects. Okay, because we need to practice these guys. Otherwise, you know we will not be okay when writing code or okay. So at least we should spend some time writing this. Okay. So in these first three lines we will not write because these are the header files. IO stream and include string and using namespace std. Okay, so what we will do here, I practiced once, so I decided to show you again. It's not necessary to show you, but I'm just doing it again. Okay, so class, my class, you see here, I'll just copy these three lines. Okay, so spend some time writing, guys. Always understanding always is not enough. Okay, class, my keyboard has some uh, problem, guys. Okay, uh, public, okay, and then what was this my number, my string. Okay, so int my num string my string. Okay, so in the here in the main function, my class, my object, right? So now we will do my object dot my num equals 15, and then my string equals hello world. Okay, so now we will see out them, see out uh, my object my num and new line, and then my object my string. Let's see. Okay, so we just practiced once. Okay, and then we will go for the second one. Okay, um, multiple objects, you can create multiple objects of one class. So we will write these two, right? So this is how we will be used to with the syntaxes, right? Yes, we know that in this age writing code is not mandatory, but we have to be used to the syntaxes. This is the simple thing, guys. Okay, so here include IO stream, include string, include namespace std. So we are just also we have this here, and then we have okay, uh, okay, so let's write them again. Here we will do our public, so here we will string brand, string model, and integer year, right? These would be the things. String model and integer year. Okay, so here car, okay, car object 1. Okay, and then we will define them. So car object 1 dot brand, car object 1 dot brand equal to BMW, and then car object model car object model equal to something x5. Okay, these are the string, right? As their string, we need to provide here like this. I'm just spending some time to be used to with the equations. Uh, okay, year 1999, right? So car object year, and this is integer, right? So 1999. Okay, and then we have car object car object 2. So we have multiple objects here. Okay. Car object 2. So here all the things will be the same. Car object 2 brand, I don't know, something Ford Mustang 1969, right? So here this should be Ford, and here Mustang 1969, right? 69. So we will see out here, see out car object brand and then a space, right? And model, and then a space, and then car object year, and then a new line, right? New line. Okay, and see out object 2 brand, 2 model, 2 year. If you write, sometimes you get clarity, right? How things work and everything. BMW most, what happened? Let's see what's the happened. Oh, model. See out brand, model, year. BMW. Ford. What's wrong with it? Just ask ChatGPT, okay? Okay. Here we need to change them. That is the problem we're facing here. Anyway, and then okay, challenge task, create a class called book with the following attribute. Okay, title, author, string, year. Then create 2 objects of the class and print the attribute values, right? Matilda. Okay, so I think this will be easy, guys, right? If we just take this practice book and then book title, author, year, right? So here string, title, author, integer, year. So we need to create objects, the class, and print their attribute values. Matilda. Okay. Okay. So here we can book one, right? So book one dot title. We need to do these practices, okay guys? If you do this, you know, you will increase your confidence level. Tilde, guys, you can't even imagine how much pressure I feel, okay, when I practice. And but title author, but this is life, you know, we have to fight always. There is no other way, guys, okay? We have to survive somehow. We have to, you know, I actually think many things, guys, okay, but I can't share with you. 1988. Okay, so here we will no, not car, this is book one, right? And then book 2 will be here, book 2, and I will copy them, paste them here, and this will be book 2 title, book 2. No, this will be author, this is author, and this is author 2 here, book 2 and book 2 here, right? And then we need to, you know, update the value. So the graving whatever, giving tree, and then shell silver stain, and then book to year 1964. See out now, book on title. I hope this will be okay, guys, okay? Book one author, and then book one year, right? Book one year. Okay, and then we will copy this, paste it here, book two title, book two author, book two dot year. I hope it worked, guys, okay? This is how we need to practice, okay? Drag and drop the correct for term to complete the sentence. In C++, a class is like a for creating objects, a blueprint for creating objects. Let's practice them. What is the rule of class in C++? To perform calculation, have to do it anyway. And then we can go for class methods. C++ class methods. Methods are functions that belong to the class, right? Methods are functions that belongs to the class. There are two ways to define functions that belong to a class: inside class definition, outside class definition. And define a method inside the class. In the following example, we define a function inside the class and we name it my method. Define a method inside the class. Define a method inside the class. In the following example, we define a function inside the class and we name it my method. Note, you access methods just like you access attributes by creating an object of the class and using the dot syntax. Okay, inside example, class my class public void my method cout hello world. Okay, so when you define a function inside the class, this is called method, right? There are